I met my wife in New York. She was working in the movement's executive, and I was brought there to edit the magazine. And so we took an immediate dislike to each other. She was, she's a woman with very strong opinions, and she disliked my style intensely. What had happened was when I was in Winnipeg, she used to send me copies of Youth and Nation to distribute. And it was problematic. So she sent me once a letter, and I remember in a grouchy mood, I sent the letter back and corrected her grammar. She never forgave me. And to this day, when you meet her, she'll tell you about how I corrected her grammar. But anyway, we were very much drawn to each other, in spite of the fact that we are absolutely, in many areas, poles apart. She's prose, I'm poetry. She's detail, I'm concept. So we fit together. And what can I say? I pursued her till she caught me. As you know, all relationships are more complex than can be described. But I want to say she's a very strong, vital woman with a tremendous sense of responsibility. In the Jewish community, she's known, if you want to get anything done, ask Yafa.